This'll do. Ah, 6 weeks. Great for YouTube. Do a fireworks show. Fireworks show with what's left of my family already in. Week 1, very good. You're a photographer. I'm recording a video.
I'm a photographer. No, I think it's just a second time. I'm literally a fucking photographer.
You're a photographer. I'm recording a video of this. Georgia, you're a photographer. Look for yourself. I'm recording. I got that on camera.
You're gonna kill your battery, dude.
So be it. She got a portable charger. I don't. I'll just borrow hers for a little bit.
How do you turn off the timer?
No, keep it, because it makes that the contract.
She doesn't know that.
Ha! Boom.
No, ain't that. There we go.
Kaboom. Boom.
Nah, oh wait. Go.
Okay, that was not bad.
I hope so. It took like 15.
So decorate the sky. Blackly lay down on it. Mom, it's the best idea to lay down and record this. Get them in the frame, nice.
Okay, that one is good. This one looks like this dark.
Oh my god,
What I see thunder in the frame. Looks like there's pure thunder. And you're my cameraman and narrator at the same time. That's not good. Okay, that red one was nice. And that's smoke in the sky and that's going far. Oh shit, that might not be good. And I'll hear that drone again. Talk about that. Big, I give this so many big booms that I heard. Oh, we did something today. On the Calypso.
Owen!
Oh, that's nice. Like I can't hear them. Georgia, you do know I'm recording, right? Georgia, I've been recording for 5 minutes now. Oh, that was nice. I could sleep to this, honestly. Sleep to those lights. Oh. Finny? Done, senor? Nope. Back in black, quite literally. Not bad. Very not bad. Round 2. Fight. Kaboom. Little tiny one. Never mind. Up since 7 p.m. Here I am. Space 10. Watching all this go up. No, I can complain to these who live nearby. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you, got in the frame. My tripping is the moon moving. The moon's moving. I'm tripping. It's moving side to side. I got chlorine in my eyes. Mom, I'm going crazy. I'm seeing the moon moving from side to side. Even my chest moves, I guess. I know people hate this smoke. I couldn't love it more. Air pollution 101 right here. Oh, I see, it's like fire has happened. Very good show. My friend, very good show. Oh, my back is killing me. And I call that